What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000.com, and I want to show you an app where you can literally get paid every day. Now, I know it might sound a little different, crazy, whatever, but I'm going to show you how easy this is to do because you're going to get paid to do things that you already buy on a daily basis. Now, before I show you this, I want to quickly invite you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm always showing you guys how to make money completely free using websites and apps. It's a lot of information that I put on my YouTube channel, so I encourage you guys to subscribe to it and also visit my website, pennies2000.com, so you can see a full list of all the websites and apps that I use. So for this particular app, it's a cashback app. So you're going to get cash back on things that you already do anyway, going out to eat, going to different stores. It's like right here, you see how I go to Little Caesars, I get 5% cash back. Just kind of scrolling down here. If I go to this Office Max, I get 2% cash back. The Shake Shack, I get 5% cash back. Macy's, Uber Eats is a very popular one. I get 32% cash back. You know what I'm saying? You basically just have to look on the app and see what they're offering. If I scroll all the way down here, you'll see there's a long list of places that you can try. And this is according to your area. So wherever you are in your area, it'll show you the places that are closest to you. But it doesn't matter where you are, there'll always be a long list. So you see here, I'm continuing to scroll down. The majority of them are restaurants, and some of them are like, stores. But, people go out to eat all the time. So you might as well use an app to get paid for that. If I click on hotels here, it works with that too. So I'm just going to type in Miami, just to give you an example. If I want to go to a hotel in Miami on this date, it'll show me all the hotels here that are offering cash back. And then it only shows me how much the hotel costs. So right here, this top one is $356 a night, but I'll get $214 cash back. They got other hotels you see here that you can choose from, and it'll show you, how much cash back you're getting. So it really gives you an opportunity to stay at these more expensive hotels and get paid, but you can also sort it from lowest to highest. And a lot of times the lower hotels, they aren't giving you a lot of cash back, but it's still giving you something. So it's going to rank it here. So you see here, this first one, I go there, I get $4 cash back. You see here's another one, $77. At the bottom, I get $33 cash back. So it really depends on the hotel. But it just really just about signing up for the app. And the way you use this is you're going to have to link your debit card to this app. That's how it works. That's how you get your cash back. So basically, you link your debit card to this app. And then whenever you go out to eat on a place that's on here, just make sure you use that same debit card. That way it can, track how much. Well, not. I don't want to say track, but it can know for sure. Okay, you went to this place. We're gonna give you 5% cash back because you paid with this debit card. So that's the most important thing to remember. And on top of that, a really good thing is when you link your debit card, they automatically give you $5. So you can get $5 like soon as you sign up for this app. Soon as you sign up for it, just link your debit card. And just make sure you have a debit card linked. That way you get your cash back, because I know sometimes I'll be going out to eat and I might, go to one of the places that's on here, but I didn't use a debit card that I had linked to it. So if you're using multiple cards and going places, make sure you put all of those cards on this app. That way they can, still give you your cash back regardless of what card you used. Okay, so the thing is it's a very simple app. As long as your cards are linked to it, you'll never have a problem in getting your cash back, and you'll be surprised at how much you rack up every day. So like I made $12.35 just in the past week just with this app, just going out to eat, going to different stores. I used Uber Eats twice this week, so I got, big money, cash back from doing that. So just most important thing, download the app, link your debit card, get your $5 instantly, and start looking at places to eat or go that are already on this app that will allow you to get cash back in doing that. All right. So, just put in the work, just downloading this app and linking your debit card, and you should be good to go. That's really it. All I have to show you. It's not difficult. Just another app that you really put into your routine when you're, because you're already going out to eat and buying stuff anyway. So you might as well use an app where you can get cash back to do that. All right. So this app will allow you to do that. And I want to let you guys know that you want to make more money. Visit my website, pennies2000.com, where you can see all the websites and apps that I personally use in order to make $150 a day. And if you're interested in knowing how to make $150 every single day, there's a certain step-by-step process that I use, and I can teach that to you if you book a session with me. So I will leave the link to book a session in the description, or you can go to my website, pennies2000s.com, and click on the book a sessions tab. Watch the video, gives you an overview of how it, goes down, and then, get started with the session. So like I said, that's it for this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And always remember, every penny counts.